Hello there. Let's learn about how to use command line for video editing. For that, we will be using FFMPEG. You can install FFMPEG using this command sudo apt update and then sudo apt install FFmpeg. You can check the version. So two operations we will be doing. First is cutting a video. Like let's say our video to be cut is to edit.mp4 and we want the output file in a cut.mp4. Then we can use this simple command ffmpeg -i video to be cut -ss, then time in hour, minute and second, start time, and duration we need to give in -t duration minus async 1 and then output video name cut.mp4. With that, we can cut a video with whichever start frame or start time you need for whatever duration. Simple as that. We'll see that. And then to combine two videos, you just have to create one text file, any name you can give. So maybe simply mylist.txt. In that you need to give this format: file, your first file, and then file, again file, your second file name. So whatever is the order given here, in that order videos will be combined. And then for combining these videos, you can use this command ffmpeg -f concat -f0 -i mylist.txt -c copy and the output file name output.mp4. Alright, now let's try this out. Let's say I have one video, and this video, the beginning portion and the end portion, first of all I want to cut and then combine them together to create my final output video. So first I need to cut the video. Alright, so this initial 3 seconds we will cut first. Alright, for that we need to open terminal. Alright, so command to ensure the video name. So it's a good practice to just take a copy and then start editing, so that in case something happens, the original copy will remain. Let's rename this one as to edit. Alright, so to edit is the time we need to give 3 seconds. Finally cut, let's call it cut 1 because we want to do one more cutting. This is done. Let's see, cut 1. Okay, that cutting is not so good. Like maybe we need to cut for 4 seconds. Yeah, let's try. Let's continue with this. Let's cut the last portion now.
Okay, then let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, then.
So 34 seconds to 36 seconds. New name, cut to 36.
let's get started.
Okay, that one went properly. Now cut 1 and cut 2 we can combine, and since we have successfully cut those two videos, we can delete this one, not needed anymore. Now time to combine them. So let's check out the command for that. Cut option, combine two videos. So I'll be giving these commands in the description below. You can copy paste that. All right. So what are our video names? Cut 1 and cut 2. This we need to combine from this output video. Okay, so before applying the command, we need to create that text. Nano. Anything we can create, any name we can give, just giving consistent name so that I can just copy paste that command. File, cut 1 10.4. Control X, Y, enter. Yeah, that's all set. Now we can use the command. This is the command out .mp4 mylist. That's it, nothing to edit. Just run the command. And there we go.
Hi, welcome to mylist.txt. Okay then, let's get started.
There we go. So as simple as that, you can run this video cutting as well as video combining in your terminal. I think it is faster than most of these applications out there. And even you can make use of, if you have a graphics card, we can make use of graphics card to improve the speed as well. Alright then, see you next time.